I feel like a madman here. My first print in my truck. Yeah. I'm sure it's been done before, but it was a pain in the ass to set up. Yay! I'm half thinking this isn't a good idea for a lot of paperwork, which I'm about to print out, but it works. And I've got the truck on because, oh, what's this button? Oh, it's a photo, is it? I've got the truck on because I need the inverter on, and I don't want to run the inverter without the flattened battery. Update: paper is holding up perfectly fine on the printer and not drooping around onto the floor, which is good. Yeah.